You can? Do you like it on the floor?
Look at all that sand.
Yeah.
Not yet, not yet. Wait, let's make a pile. But when it comes, the pile.
Daddy, you going next, honey?
Yeah, here to do it. I'll make you. Ooh, there's a shovel right there that I can use.
Daddy, go ahead. Go down the slide, baby.
Sonia, if you're up there, don't go. We'll let you know when to. I'm here. Ah! Try to get a small sink. Why a lot of this stuff made of wood? Make a pile. No, pile of sand. No, everywhere. Everywhere. Like you dig a hole and you start digging like straight. I did that before.
Hassan, don't go up. People will knock you off when they slide down because they come fast. Go up the steps, okay? Go up the ladder. You found a shovel. What are you doing down there?
I'm hot.
Are you hot? Oh, there's shade over here. Go sit under the umbrella over there, beside the little slide. Was that fun? Come over here and sit under the big umbrella if you're hot. Because it has shade.
Mira, guys. Así, mira. What does that stand for? What?
Hey, did you find some stuff to play with?
You did it!
You did it.